everyone! In this example, we'll show you how to use AutoTapper to batch download images from a web page. The page I have opened now is a Wikipedia page. There is a list inside it, and we'll use this image list for the demonstration. First, open the AutoTapper interface. Add a step here of the download type. We select this area and use our built-in selector tool to pick the entire section. Then we configure the image type inside this area. Now the configuration is complete. Click Run. You can see that the plugin is now running. It will download all the images in this area one by one. Alright, it's finished. Now we can check the downloaded images locally. Okay, that completes the process of downloading images from a list. However, on Wikipedia, when you click an image, you can view a high-resolution version. So how can we use AutoTapper to download these high-resolution images? Let's create another workflow. As you can see, Wikipedia provides a dedicated download button. After clicking the image and then clicking this button, the high-resolution image will be downloaded. Okay, first let's delete the images we downloaded earlier. Now we'll use AutoTapper to create a batch workflow for downloading these images. First, we use the loop function because this is a list structure. Inside the loop, we use the list tool to select the same image listed as before. After selecting it, we can add a click substep. For this list item, we can click either the image or the title, because both open the image details page where we can view the high-resolution image. Once the image detail page is opened, we add another substep. Here, we select a single element and choose the download button. After clicking it, a pop-up window will appear. Then we add another step to click the download button. At this point, a single high-resolution image is downloaded. Next, we just need to add one more click action to close the current pop-up window. Okay, now the loop workflow is fully configured. It will go through all 7 images and execute the substeps one by one. Now let's run it and see the results. You can see that AutoTapper is automatically executing the workflow according to the steps we configured. Alright, the first high-resolution image has already been downloaded. Then it closes the first image, opens the second image, and continues executing the same workflow. Here you can also see that every step has a delay of 2000 milliseconds. You can customize this delay time yourself. If your workflow is already stable, you can reduce the delay to speed up execution. In this example, I intentionally set every step interval to 2 seconds, so everyone can clearly see the whole operation process. The program is still running. We can see that new images are continuously being downloaded into the folder. Okay, now the execution report has appeared. All 7 images have been successfully downloaded, and all of them are high-resolution images. Okay, that's the complete process for downloading images from a list. So before building your workflow, you should first analyze whether you want to download regular images or high-resolution images. You should also check whether the website directly provides the high-resolution image, or whether you need to click into each image first before downloading it. Then you can decide the best workflow structure for your automation. That's the end of the tutorial. Thank you, everyone!